Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tiramisu cake using fudge bars. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need fudge bars, strong brewed coffee, mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla. Next, prepare your coffee mixture for dipping. Then, whip up your mascarpone cream until it's light and fluffy. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking process from the start. Now, let's start assembling our tiramisu. Take each fudge bar and quickly dip it into the prepared coffee mixture. Be careful not to oversoak them, or they might become too soft. Arrange these dipped bars in a single, even layer at the bottom of your serving dish. After that, spread a generous amount of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the fudge bar layer. This creates the first delightful layer of your dessert. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tasty recipes. And quick recommendation, staying hydrated is key, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. Grab an Owala water bottle to keep your drinks perfectly cold. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to build up those delicious layers. Repeat the process by dipping more fudge bars into the coffee and placing them over the first cream layer. Then, add another rich layer of your mascarpone cream mixture on top. Make sure to spread the cream evenly across the entire surface. This ensures every bite of your tiramisu has that perfect balance of coffee-soaked cake and creamy goodness. You're almost there. The hard work is done, and now comes the waiting game. Place your assembled tiramisu in the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cake to set properly. Before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic tiramisu finish. Serve it chilled for the best possible flavor and a truly delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.